get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow! G'day, lovelies. Welcome back on this beautiful 41-degree day. Oh, mate, it's hot as hell out there. So I had a request for refrigerator cookies. I call them no-bake cookies. So I thought, perfect day for it. So what we need is 2 cups of rolled oats. Now you can use quick oats if you want, but it makes them a lot softer. The rolled oats make them chewy like a cookie. Now we need 1 cup of peanut butter, smooth peanut butter, and we need to try and get a runny one. So I went down to the shops and found this Bega, and since it was in a squeeze bottle, I thought, well, that's got to be runny. And then I shook it. Ugh, and it is runny. I couldn't think of anything worse than runny peanut paste, but for this, perfect. So we need 1 cup, which is 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup. Now at this stage you can add 1/4 of a cup of anything you want. So you can put dried fruit in there, you can put chopped nuts in there. I'm going to use chopped chips today, but I'm just going to dip them in them after, I reckon. So once you put your 1/4 cup of whatever else you want, mix it up. Well, I actually have some flaked almonds in the cupboard, so I'm going to add 1/4 cup. With wet hands, we just want to get little spoonfuls. Roll it. And now I'm going to dip them in there. And so if you're not dipping them in something and you put it all in one, you want to roll them up like that and then get them onto your baking paper, and you just want to press them down into the shape of a cookie. So you can absolutely make them a lot smaller if you want and do little bite-sized ones. You can do whatever you want with them. Now we're going to put them in the fridge exactly like that for an hour and we're done. Well, there you have it, lovelies. Just like that. No-bake cookies. So even though they're set after an hour, they taste better after at least a couple of hours. Either wrap them in Glad Wrap or put them in an airtight container, store them in the fridge. They'll last over 2 weeks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay cool out there. I'll see you soon. Doodles.